जिंदगी की हर सुबह कुछ शर्तें लेकर आती है, जिंदगी की हर सुबह कुछ शर्तें लेकर आती है और शाम कुछ तजुर्बे देकर जाती है। जय श्री राधे, जय माता दी। Hello, good morning everyone. This is Rahul Prakash from Best Internet Stocks for today and tomorrow. So guys, in this video I am going to analyze top 15 best internet stocks for today's educational trading session. So before proceeding to the top 15 best internet stocks, I would like to disclose the previous day working sessions result. So total educational trading course I provided you 42, out of which profit cost was 41 and loss cost was only 0.1. So here we go with our previous day working sessions, education trading sessions result. So total education trading course I provided you 42, out of which profit cost was 41 and loss cost was only 1. So equity cash cost I provided you 17, option cost 5, future cost 9, and Nifty and Bank Nifty cost 11. So first I would like to talk about my best YouTube picks. So first one is HUL, Hindustan Unilever, 2400 to 2417. Infosys, 1400 to 1390. Kotak Bank, 1795 to 1736. Britannia, 3636 to 3717. HDFC Bank, 1480 to 1432. Imami, 488 to 503. Dalmia Bharat, Dal Bharat, 1561.30 to 1575. Next is Greenwell, 935 to 939. JK Cement, 2920 to 2980. PVR, 1170 to 1131. JSW Steel, 517 to 504. Next is JSW Steel again, 517 to 520.60. Dr. Reddy, 4563 to 4426. So next is Apollo Hospital, 2966 to 2889. Next is Axis Bank, 695 to 678. Next is Adani Entertainment, 1131.40 to 1150. Next is UPL, 658.10 to 664.75. So next is option trades. TCS 3200 की call 106 to 148. Lot size 300 quantities per lot. Next is SCL Tech, 1000 की call 45 to 66. Lot size 700 quantities per lot. Next is Cipla 830 की call 22.50 to 25.15. Lot size 1300 quantities per lot. Next is UPL 670 की call 27.80 to 30.50. Lot size 1300 quantities per lot. Next is call for 3000 की call 160 to 188. Lot size 300 quantities per lot. Next is future trades. In future trades, first stock was Godrej Property Food, 1394.60 to 1318. JSW Steel Food, 517 to 500. JSW Steel Food, 517 to 507. Lot size 2700 quantities per lot. Next is JSW Steel Food again, 517 to 522.50. Lot size 2700 quantities per lot. Next is Tech M Food, 1006 to 113.17. 1013.17. Lot size 1200 quantities per lot. Next is Apollo Hospital Food, 2966 to 2905. Lot size 500 quantities per lot. Next is Axis Bank Food, 695 to 680. Lot size 1200 quantities per lot. Next is Axis Bank हो गया. Bajaj Auto Food, 3688 to 3700. Lot size 250 quantities per lot. Next is Adani Entertainment. Next is Adani Enterprise, 1130 to 1146.80. lot size 2000 quantities per lot. Next is UPL for 658 to 668.80, lot size 1300 quantities per lot. So next is Nifty and Bank Nifty trades, and this is also my favorite segment, Nifty and Bank Nifty trades. So first stock was first trade was 30 Bank Nifty 33,700 ki put 440 to 1480. Bank Nifty 33,700 ki put 440 to 1,480. Next is Bank Nifty 33,600 ki put 410 to 1399. I have provided this call as a Maha jackpot also. So next is Bank Nifty 33,500 ki put 550 to 1318. Next is Nifty 14,750 ki put 130 to 340. Next is Bank Nifty 32,000 ki put 123 to 440. Next is Bank Nifty 33,000 ki put 410 to 950. I have also provided this call as a Maha jackpot call. So next is Bank Nifty 33,400 ki call. This was in a loss. Okay. So next is Nifty. So next is Nifty 14,500 ki put 56 to 181. Next is Bank Nifty 33,500 ki call from 380 to 388.90. Next is Bank Nifty 33,100 ki put from 510 to 1022. Next is Nifty 14,850 ki call from 100 to 106.50. So all this was relating to our previous day working sessions result. Now I have a very fast look on today's best top 15 best intraday stocks for tomorrow for today's educational trading session. So first pick will be mine is HUL, Hindustan Unilever. We can go for the buy side in Hindustan Unilever only above 2,375. If you found the dips also, then also you can go for the buy side. If market opens in little bit, or this stock opens in little bit gap down around 2,350 or 2,355 or 2,360, then also you can go for the buy side. Okay, but keep in mind you have to just buy only about 2,350 only. But if market opens at flat, then you can go for the buy side only above 2,375. Okay, so next stock is Emami Limited. We can go for the sell side in Emami only below 498. Okay, you have to just wait for the this level. Okay, we can go for the sell side in Emami only below 498. Don't short Emami at higher levels. Okay, don't go for the sell side in sell side in Emami at higher levels around 503 or 505. Okay, don't do short. You have to do short only below 498. Okay, so next pick is mine from service sector. I have selected ICICI GI or ICICI Lombard. We can go for the buy side in ICICI GI only above. We can go for the buy side in ICICI Lombard only above 1412. Okay, we can go for the buy side in ICICI GI only above 1412. You have to just wait for the sustenance of the candlesticks. Next is Timken. We can go for the buy side in Timken only above 1302. Next is Vinati Organics. We can go for the buy side in Vinati Organics only about 1390. Next is Brigade Enterprises. We can go for the buy side in Brigade only above 260. Okay, don't go for the buy side if you found any dips. Okay, don't buy in dips. You have to just buy Brigade Enterprise only above 260. So next is container, we have to buy container only above 588. Please follow my levels with strict stop loss. Okay, don't do any trade without any levels. Okay, don't go for the trades without any level and without any stop loss. Always follow the stop loss with, always follow a trade with strict stop loss. Okay, so next is Kansai Nerolac Paint. uh, uh, Container and Kansai Nerolac Paint are both same. Okay, so what you have to do, we can go for the Kansai Nerolac Paint for the buy side only above 588. So next is CCL. We can go for the buy side in CCL only above 229. We can go for the buy side in CCL only above 229. So next is TCNS branding. Next is TCNS branding. We can go for the buy side in TCNS branding only above 500. So next is Kajaria. Next is Kajaria CER. We can go for the buy side in Kajaria CER only above 950. So next is Tube Investment. We can go for the buy side in Tube Investment only above 1160. So next is Tata Communication. We can go for the buy side in Tata Communication only above 1112. Just wait for the sustenance of the candlesticks above 1110. Then you can go for the buy side in Tata Communication only above 1112. So next is Angel Broking. We can go for the buy side in Angel Broking only about 292. What you have to do? You have to just wait for the sustenance of the candlesticks. Okay, if 5 or 10 minutes if 5 or 10 minutes candlestick just sustain above 292, then no need to ask anybody. You can go for the buy side in Angel Broking on only above the level of 292. So next is Phoenix Mill. We can go for the buy side in Phoenix only above 712. So next and last pick is mine is Endurance Tech. We can go for the buy side in Endurance Tech only about 1386. So what you have to do, you have to just wait for the closing of the candlesticks only above 1386. Then only you can go for the buy side in Endurance Tech only about 1386. If you are regularly watching my YouTube videos, then you know that whatever levels I am providing you, every levels, all the levels are just firing, all the levels are just rocking. So I'm not no need to worry in any stock, because I'm not providing you any jack category stocks. So no need to worry at all. Okay, so if you have not yet subscribed to my Telegram channel and to my YouTube channel, then go and subscribe to my Telegram and YouTube channel, because I am providing more than 50 plus trading educational course every day. Okay, I'm providing you the best intraday educational trading course in the live market on my Telegram channel. Okay, so see you on today's educational trading session sharp at 9 a.m. Till that, bye bye. Jai Shri Radhe, Jai Mata Di.